Okay, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Now we are doing the fourth poem, that is Don't Throw the Seeds Away. And in the previous video we had discussed the checkpoint section and I had also shown you the animation, right? Now in today's video we will be doing the I understand section. Okay, we will be discussing the answers of the I understand section. And I will tell you the answers orally and then you will have to write it in your English notebook. So are you ready for it? Okay, so let's discuss the I understand section. Okay students, as you all know, we are doing the fourth part of this poem. That means this is the fourth video. Okay, now let's see the I understand section. Okay students, now see, in the previous video we had discussed the checkpoint section and now today we will be discussing the I understand section. Now the first question is A, that is fill in the blanks with words given from the poem. Now this is very easy, you only have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so I will just discuss the answers and then you can write it on your own. Fruits are healthy and give us dash. Okay, fruits are healthy and what do they give us? Very good, they give us energy. You can tell your dash too. You can tell your dash too. So whom you can tell about the seeds? It is given in the poem. Whom can you tell about the seeds? Yes, you can tell your friends too. Okay, you can tell your friends too. Number 3. A young dash will appear if we water the plant. A young dash will appear if we water the plant. So, when you water the plant, what will appear first? Yes, a young shoot. A young shoot. Understood? Fourth one. Our earth will remain dash if there are more trees. So what will our earth remain? Yes, very good. Our earth will remain green. If we plant more trees, then our earth will remain green. So the answer is green. You must dash not to throw the seeds away. You must dash not to throw the seeds away. What you must remember. So these all the lines are from the poem. So if you can't understand, you will read the lines of the poem and you will get the answer. So the fifth answer is remember. You must remember not to throw the seeds away. Okay. Now we have done the exercise A and now we will be doing answer these questions. This is question answers. I will just say it orally, you listen to it and then you can write it. Now the first question is, according to the poet, how often should we eat fruits? According to the poet, how often should we eat fruits? So the answer is, we should eat fruits every day. Very easy answer. We should eat, according to the poet, we should eat fruits every day. Okay. Number 2 is, write the names of all the fruits in the poem. So whatever names of fruits are given in the poem, that you have to write. So you will write the names of fruits given in the poem are apple, guava, orange, papaya. Okay. Again I am repeating, the names of the fruits given in the poem are apple, guava, orange and papaya. Fine. Now the third question is, what does the poet want to do? What does the poet want to do? So the poet wants not to throw the seeds of the fruits away and then plant these seeds in the soil. So what the poet wants us to do? The poet wants us not to throw the seeds of the fruits away and then plant the seeds in the soil. Okay? The poet wants us not to throw the seeds away and to plant the seeds in the soil. So this was your third answer. Fourth question is, what will happen after some time? So the answer is, after some time a young shoot will appear from the ground, and like this a green tree will come in its place. Again I am repeating, after some time a young shoot will appear from the ground, and then a green tree will come in its place. A green tree will come in its place. Okay. Then the fifth one is, what is fun to watch? So it is fun to watch the trees grow like this. Okay. It is fun to watch trees grow like this. So that is the fifth answer. And the last one is, what message is the poet trying to give through the poem? So the poet gives a message that we should eat a fruit every day, not throw its seeds away, and plant them in the soil. Okay. Again I am repeating, the poet gives a message that we should eat a fruit every day, not throw its seeds away, and plant them in the soil. So we have discussed the I understand section today. Okay, we have discussed the I understand section today. Okay students, so we have discussed the I understand section, that is fill in the blanks and question answers. So please read the poem again and again so that you can clearly understand the lesson, that the poem, and you can write the answers also easily. Okay students, so please write it in your notebook in a neat manner and in a clean manner. Okay students, so thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.